1, 2, 3, back, forward. Okay. You need to do like a half a second between your clicks. I think I was doing it too fast. So okay, we got it. It's in diagnostic mode. One click to the right, and when you hit start, when it's undone, hit start. It's going to flash to tell you that you're in diagnostic mode. To read the codes, what you're going to want to do is get it to where they're all flashing. You want to turn the dial one click. That's going to flash your first set of codes. First set, second set. First set, second set. The sensing light is going to indicate the first part of the code, which is F. If I had another light lit up with the sensing, you would add those together. It's just like it gives you a table right here. Wash light equals 8, and so on and so forth. So what I did is I actually made my washer go out of balance so I can make this thing throw a code. What this is, what you need to do is go online, and I know you can't see that very well, and I'll post a link in the description below with you know, the codes. But basically it's got 21 codes, and you can just read down through there. But the code that I have is the one that I manufactured, because I put my a wet towel in there so it would be unbalanced, and I ran it on drain and spin so it would throw a code, so I could show you guys how to read this nomenclature, or it's hard to understand. I didn't understand it at first until I started reading it. So the first set, sensing, boom, is F, because it says right here. If you don't have any other lights lit up with sensing, boom, no other lights, is 0. If you had something else lit up while the sensing light was on, you would add those together. Similar to this right here. Sensing F, if you had rinse light 4 and spin light 2 and done light 1, you'd add those together, which would be 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7. But since I don't have any other lights, the sensing indicates F. No other lights, 0. The other set of numbers or lights is your second set of your code, which is going to be E. Rinse and done are the ones that are lighting up for the second set. So therefore, rinse is 4 and done is 1. So the code is going to be F0 E5. And if you look at your paperwork here, error code F0 E5, washer out of balance. So that's how you tell, or that's how you read your codes. Now this washer will hold up to 4 codes. Now if I go one more click to the right, the only thing that's going to be flashing is sense, which means F0, and if you look at F0, no fault codes detected. Go another click, no other codes. One more, no other codes. One more, and then it just starts over to the beginning. Now if I go one click, it's just going to show my out of balance code once again. So if you have any questions on how to retrieve the codes from your washing machine, just let me know. More Medic 1. Have a great day.